Hello, welcome to Main Mouse Sanctuary. Today I am going to be cooking my great uncle's recipe for chili. So I have all my ingredients out and everything's here. So to start, we are going to take the hamburger and put it in the pan as long as after I did dice the onions. Okay. So before I cut up these onions, I am going to put my spaghetti noodles that we will be using later on the wood burning stove. Hello, now that we're done cutting up the onions, I'm going to put the onions into the frying pan. And now I will, before I put it on the stove, I am going to mince this garlic. No, fast forward. Hello, now that we've cut up our garlic, we will open the hamburger and put it into the pan. Okay. Now that we have the hamburger and the onions in the pan, we are going to go brown the hamburger, and once it's brown, we will strain it. So this is a wood burner that we cook on, and we use it to cook all our food on it. So before when the wood burn, we put the wood in the wood burner, and it heats our entire house. Most of the heat comes off of the stovepipe, and these are the noodles cooking. And well, the hamburger is browning, and that's it. Hello, now that we've strained our noodles, while the hamburger is cooking, we will add pinto beans. We are using pinto beans, but you can use any type you like. And we have diced tomatoes and tomato paste.
Okay, cat fight.
So our uncle, when he makes chili, he uses a chili mix, but we didn't have a chili mix, but we had all the spices we needed to make one. So for the spices, we have chili flakes and chili powder. This is the chili flakes, chili powder. Then we have the ground cumin, cayenne pepper, and onion powder and garlic salt, which is in here. we have fresh garlic in here that we will be adding with the hamburger as all of the spices. So after it's drained, and then we are going to be using what everyone uses. We have, and in here we also have salt and pepper.
That's a good baby Holden.
Okay, so once the hamburger and onions are done browning, I'll strain them, and then we will add the seasonings and add them to the big chili pot. Hello, now that the hamburger is browned, we are going to drain it, add the seasonings, and add it into our noodles, which are fully cooked right now. Hello, now that we have drained our hamburger, we are going to add in our spices. If you do not remember the names, please rewind to when we were cutting up the onions. Okay, now we'll add our chili powder and chili flakes. Okay, now that we've added our seasonings, we will stir. And now we will add the hamburger, onions, and garlic to the pasta and tomatoes. Okay. Now we will stir the pasta. Okay, now we are going to let this sit on the stove for a while, and all the seasonings will come out, and then we'll serve. Okay, now that the chili's all done, I topped it with some mild cheddar cheese and Fritos, and now we are going to eat. Thank you for following me on my journey to make chili. Please subscribe and share with your friends and family my Uncle Greg's recipe for chili.